Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring water precisely. Use 8 ounces of water per cup and scale up as needed for multiple servings. Use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf or 1 tea bag per cup, depending on the tea type and strength you prefer. Heat the water to the correct temperature. Heat to 212 degrees F for black tea or 175 degrees F for green tea to avoid bitterness. Preheat the teapot or mug with a splash of hot water to maintain steeping temperature and place the tea into the warmed vessel and pour the heated water directly over the leaves or the bag to allow full expansion. Steep black tea for 3 to 5 minutes for balanced flavor and strength, while steeping green tea for 5 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Cover the pot while steeping to retain heat and aroma and prevent volatile oils from evaporating. Taste at the lower end of the time range and extend steeping by 30 seconds if you prefer stronger tea. Once the steeping time is complete, remove leaves or bags promptly after steeping to stop extraction and prevent bitterness. Strain loose leaves if necessary. Adjust flavor by adding milk, lemon, or sweetener to taste. A teaspoon of sugar is common, and honey works well for herbal blends. Serve in cups prewarmed to keep tea at serving temperature and enjoy immediately. For iced tea, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate and pour over ice, diluting with water if too strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.